Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can reset your account on Saner AI to factory or default settings. So let us guide you through it. Head over to your account on Saner AI and click into your profile icon in the top left and select account from the drop-down menu. Next, navigate to your account settings, and here you will see that panel at the bottom, data control. That is going to give you access to these two options, reset and delete your account. Now, if you'd like to reset your account, click into this button. However, guys, once you click into continue to confirm that, you won't be able to undo this, to put it that way. This cannot be undone, as you can see. So it will mean that this action will permanently remove all your data, all your settings, all your conversations, all your tasks, notes, etc. But you will still keep access to your account, so it's not the same as deleting your account, guys. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.